here. Question number 9A. Mrs. Yadav sold a bag for Rs 1368 at 5% loss. Calculate her profit or loss percent if she had sold it for Rs 1512. Yeah, you can see two conditions in question. Duita conditions are just first condition ma Mrs. Yadav sold a bag for Rs 1368. First condition को SP भनेको Rs 1368 छ भने second condition को SP भनेको Rs 1512. Okay, but cost price would be same for both the conditions. So let's write here whatever is given. Okay, given here you can write here first you are going to write here first condition because we have two conditions here. So first condition, in first condition for a bag you can write, okay, selling price is given here. Selling price, that is SP. Selling price SP is equals to Rs 1368. Okay, then there is loss. Loss percent is also given here. So you can write here loss percent, L percent is equals to 5%. Okay, from SP and loss percent, what we can calculate here? We can calculate here cost price. Okay, now cost price CP is equals to, okay, you can suppose here SP1, this you can suppose here CP1. Okay, CP1 is equals to SP1 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Okay, value put garau. SP1 means you can see there 1368 into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent means 100 minus L percent means 5. So we can write here 5. Okay, simply this is 1368.00 divided by 95. Okay, so let's calculate it. And simply, if we divide here, we'll get, okay, we have to divide here 1368.00 divided by 95, we'll get here 1440. Okay, 1440, this is the cost price. Your question ko condition anusar, in second condition, what we can write here? यसमा SP difference हो, तर CP the same हो. Okay, एउटै bag को लागि CP is same. यहाँ हामीलाई SP मात्रै difference भनेको. So second condition मा again you can write here for a bag, your cost price. Okay, cost price, that is CP2, that you can write is CP1. Okay, CP1 मा जे छ त्यही हुन्छ cost price. Second condition को cost price पनि same हो. किन भन्दा selling price मात्रै change गरेको. सुरुमा 1368 मा बेचेको and calculate our profit or loss percent if she had sold it for Rs 1512. अब second को हामीलाई के छ त selling price is different. यो त same नै भयो. Cost price same नै हुन्छ है. So we can write here Rs 1440. Okay, then selling price is different. Selling price is given here. Selling price, that is SP2. Selling price SP2 is equals to Rs 1512. This is given. Okay, अब हामीलाई selling price पनि थाहा भयो, cost price पनि थाहा छ. Now just compare. अब यो दुईटालाई compare गर्ने. Which one is greater? यहाँ हेर्दाखेरि के छ त selling price greater देखिरहेछ भने profit हुन्छ, थाहा भइसक्यो. Here SP2 is greater than CP2, so there is profit. Okay, so there is profit. अब हामीलाई simply question मा सोधेको के पनि के छ त if she had sold it for loss percent or profit percent. अब यहाँ के भनेको छ त SP2 is greater than CP2, so there is profit. अब हामीले के गर्ने त again profit percent find out गर्ने. Again your profit percent find out. You know how to find profit percent. Okay, profit percent, that is P percent is equals to, we can write here SP minus CP by CP. Okay, you can see SP minus CP by SP minus CP by CP into 100%. Okay, simply put here SP भनेको कति छ त 1512. 1512 minus 1440 divided by 1440 into 100%. Okay, into 100%. So calculate it. We can directly calculate. 1512 minus 1440 is equals to, then into, we can write here 100, okay, then divided by 1440 we'll get here 5%, okay, so its answer is 5%. ल यसको आन्सर 5% हो, ओके, हामीले प्रॉफिट पर्सेंट पनि फाइन्ड आउट गरिसक्यौ है, SP minus CP upon CP into 100%. So in this way we found here 5%. You can see here question number 10A. A shopkeeper sold a mobile set for Rs 9,600 and made a loss of 5%. For what price should he sell it to gain 10%? 10% भनेको चाहिँ gain भनेको profit percent. यहाँ पनि के छ, you can see here two conditions in this question. A shopkeeper sold a mobile set for Rs 9,600. यो first condition मा 9,600 मा बेच्दा he made a loss of 5%. That's a loss percent भनेको 5% छ. From selling price and this loss percent, we can find the cost price. Okay, cost price find out गर्छौं. For what price should he sell it to gain 10% profit भनेको छ. Yeah, gain 10% भनेको profit percent 10 हुन अब शपकीपरले कतिमा बेच्नु पर्ला भनेर सोधेको हो. Okay, whatever cost price will get in the first condition, same will be in the second condition. Okay, so let's start to solve this one. What is given here? First of all, let's write here in given. So you can write here first condition. Okay, first condition. First condition for a mobile set you can write here. Okay, first condition for a mobile set. Okay, for a mobile set. First condition for a mobile set. What we can write here? A shopkeeper sold a mobile set. Sold भन्ने बित्तिकै that is the selling price. Okay, that is the selling price. You can suppose it as SP1 and this is equals to Rs 9,600. Okay, SP1 is Rs 9,600 and there is loss percent and made a loss of 5%. Means there is loss percent. Okay, so you can write here loss percent, L percent is equals to, it is given here 5%. From SP and loss percent, now we can find the cost price. Okay, now what we can find here? Now we can find here cost price. Okay, so let's find here cost price. यसलाई हामीले CP1 suppose गरौँ. And you know the formula for CP. Okay, SP into 100. तर यहाँ हामीसँग SP1 छ. So SP1 into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. Okay, this is the formula for CP. So SP1 means it is 9,600 into 100. Okay, then divided by 100 minus loss percent means it is given here 5. Simply it will be 9600 and two more zeros we have to write. If we multiply with 100 सँग multiply गर्दा we'll get here 9,60,000 divided by it will be 95. Okay, so what we'll get here? Let's write. Let's calculate here. Okay, simply 9,60,000. Okay, divided by 95, and you will get here 10,105.26. Okay, 10,105.26. 10,105.26. Okay, 10,105.26. This is the cost price. Okay, this is the cost price. Now same will be the cost price in the second condition. Second, for what price should he sell it to gain 10% भनेको छ. अब उसको cost price त यही हो, तर अब उसले कतिमा बेच्नु पर्ला जसले गर्दा उसलाई profit percent 10% हुन्छ भनेर सोधेको हो. Okay, that's why let's write here second condition. Okay, second condition. You can write here second condition. Again, write here for a mobile set. For a mobile set. Now we can write here cost price. Cost price, that is CP2 is equals to, it's same as CP1. CP2 भनेको पनि के हुन्छ त CP1 नै हुन्छ. So that is RS 10,105.26. Okay. So gain 10% means that is profit percent is 10%. We can write here profit percent. Okay, that is P percent is equals to, we can write 10%. Okay, it is given here 10%. That's why we can write. Now we can find the selling price. For what price should we sell, Vanessa? Okay, again we can find a selling price. Again, our selling price ko formula. Okay, you know selling price, that is SP2. Selling price SP2 is equals to, we can write here 100 plus P percentage, 100 plus P percentage divided by 100. Okay, into our यहाँ list CP2 भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो, because into CP लेख्ने हो, तर हामीसँग यहाँ CP2 छ. That's why we'll write here CP2. Okay, so let's put the values. 100 plus P percentage भनेको चाहिँ 10. Okay, divided by 100 into CP2 means that is 10,105.26. Okay, so we'll get here 110 divided by 100 into 10,105.26. Okay, so you can just cancel 0 and 0, you can cancel. And now let's multiply. Hey, multiply garna hamle. Okay, you can once write here 11 into 10,105.26 divided by 10. Okay, so we'll get here answer. Let's find it. So we have to multiply here 11 into 10,105.26. Okay, and then divided by 10. We'll get here 11,115. 11,115.786. Okay, so this is the answer. For what price should he sell? You can write here. Hence, he should sell it RS 11,115.786. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the question in question number 8B. Pratik bought a sweater for RS 1,750. He sold it at a profit of 4% to Biswant. What would be his profit or loss percent if he had bought it for RS 2,000? If he had bought it for RS 2,000. अब यो यसमा चाहिँ खास भनेको के हो भने यो 2000 भनेको cost price हुन्छ. तर what would be his profit or loss percent if he had bought it for RS 2000 भनेको हाम्रो first condition मा we may get different CP. किन भन्दा यहाँ चाहिँ प्रतीक बाउट अ स्वेटर फर RS 1750. यहाँ पनि बाउट नै भनेको छ, यहाँ CP छ है, हो कि नै? प्रतीक बाउट अ स्वेटर फर RS 1750 भनेको फर्स्ट कन्डिसन को CP भनेको 1750 हो. He sold it at a profit of 4%. 4% profit मा बेच्यो, विश्वान्तलाई बेच्यो भनेको छ है. Okay, then we can find the selling price from the first condition. फर्स्ट कन्डिसनबाट हामीले सेलिङ प्राइस फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सक्छौं. र अब सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनमा जाँदा त हामीलाई CP गिवन नै छ भनेपछि हाम्रो फर्स्ट कन्डिसनको SP र सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनको SP एउटै हो भनेर बुझ्नु पर्यो. यसरी क्वेशन ओके हामीले के गरिरहेका छौं, कुनैमा CP सेम भइरहेछ, ओके, कुनैमा यसरी SP सेम हुन्छ. सो लेट्स राइट हियर. यहाँ यो कन्डिसनमा चाहिँ के छ त अहिले, लेट्स राइट हियर गिवन. यसमा पनि दुईटै कन्डिसन छ. Just you can write here. So first condition, okay, first condition, then you can write here for a sweater. For a sweater, Pratik bought a sweater for RS 1750. About that is the cost price. Okay, Pratik kineko that is the cost price. So here it is CP1. CP1 is equals to RS 1750. CP1 is equals to RS 1750. Okay, then at a profit profit percent is also given. Profit percent, that is P percent, is equals to 4%. Okay, if we know the cost price and profit percent, Now we can find the selling price. Okay, now selling price we can write. Okay, now selling price, that is SP1 is equals to, what we can write here? SP1 means 100 plus P% divided by 100 into CP1. Okay, this is the formula. So simply let's put the values here. 100 plus P% means 4. Then divided by 100. Okay, into CP1 means that is 1750. Okay, 1750. So what we got here? Let's continue it. Right here. This is equals to 104. Okay, upon 100 into 1750. Okay, so this 0 and 0 we can cancel, and we got here 104 into 175 divided by 10. So let's calculate it. Okay, 104 into 175. Okay, divided by 10, we'll get here 1820. Okay, this is the selling price. This is the selling price of first condition. First condition ko selling price. Then what would be his profit or loss percent if he had bought it for Rs 2000? Second condition ma ta हामीलाई फेरि cost price नै given छ. If he had bought it for 2000 भनेको छ, cost price नै given छ. Okay, so first condition को selling price नै second condition को पनि selling price हुन्छ. Okay, किन भन्दा यहाँ के भनेको छ त, उले यदि 2000 मा किनेको भए उलाई चाहिँ कति loss or profit percent हुन्थ्यो भनेर सोधेको छ. So let's move to the second condition. Second condition. Okay, you can see a second condition. Again, you can write here for a sweater. Okay, our second condition ko cost price is given here. Second condition ko cost price, that is CP2. CP2 is given here Rs 2000. Rs 2000. Okay, and SP will be same. Selling price भनेको चाहिँ के हुन्छ त, first condition ko selling price र second condition को selling price would be same here. Okay, question को condition अनुसार थाहा पाउनु पर्यो है. हाम्रो same छ, SP2 र SP1 भनेको same छ. So what is SP1? SP1 is 1820. So Rs 1820 you can write here. Just compare here SP2 and CP2. Just compare. CP2 is Rs 2000. SP2 is Rs 1820. Okay, so you can see here CP2 is greater. यहाँ त CP greater छ. अब जति बेला CP greater हुन्छ SP भन्दा, त्यो बेलामा चाहिँ loss हुन्छ है. So you can write here, since CP2 is greater than SP2. Okay, so there is loss. Okay, so you can write here, so there is loss. जति बेला CP2 SP2 भन्दा ग्रेटर हुन्छ या CP SP भन्दा ग्रेटर हुन्छ, त्यो बेलामा के हुन्छ त, लस हुन्छ. लस हुन्छ भने लस पर्सेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्यो. अगेन अब सोधेको त के हो, लस पर्सेन्ट हो भने लेट्स फाइन्ड हियर लस पर्सेन्ट. देन लस हुन्छ भने हामीलाई लस पर्सेन्ट फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु भनेको छ. सो लस पर्सेन्ट को फर्मुला चाहिँ के हुन्छ त, CP माइनस SP हुन्छ है. अब के हुन्छ, जुन ग्रेटर छ त्यो माइनस स्मलर हुन्छ. यहाँ CP ग्रेटर छ, त्यही भएर लस पर्सेन्टमा CP माइनस SP डिवाइडेड बाइ CP इन्टु 100%. ओके, इन्टु 100%. सो लेट्स क्याल्कुलेट हियर. अब सिम्पली भ्यालु राखौँ है त. CP भनेको चाहिँ द्याट इज, यहाँ चाहिँ अब हामीले CP भनेको के छ त, यहाँ CP2 राख्नु पर्यो है. डोन्ट बी कन्फ्युज. यहाँ चाहिँ CP2 राखौँ, यहाँ SP2 राखौँ, यहाँ CP2 राखौँ. ओके, CP2 भनेको द्याट इज 2000 minus 1820 divided by 2000 into 100%. Okay, अब यहाँको दुईटा, these two zeros we can cancel. यहाँ हाम्रो चाहिँ अब 2000 मा 1820 minus गर्दा what will get here, 180. Isn't this 180 divided by 20% भनेको यो त अब 29 जा हुन्छ 9%. Okay, we got your answer 9%. So you can write the conclusion. What would be his profit or loss percent? His loss percent would be 9%. You can write here. Okay, his loss percent would be 9%. In this way you can write his loss percent would be 9%. Okay, so in this way we completed this one. Okay, la हामीले complete गर्यौं है त 8 को B पनि we have completed here.